So research tells us that kids, if they want to be in school, that's half the battle right there. Through the house system, we're able to involve 100% of our kids. This is for the kids that don't necessarily belong to a sport, they don't belong to a club, they don't have a favorite class, they don't get excellent grades, they don't get bad grades. They're just our everyday student. This system, once it's in place, will provide that for all kids. Every Friday, we're going to have house days where kids are going to go to their house meetings, where we're going to grow student leadership.
Rêveur is the house of dreamers. It's about not letting anything stand in your way and supporting each other. One of the cool things that Rêveur gets to do that the other houses don't, it's a secret, is the kids get to come up with a secret handshake that only Rêveur members will know. Spirit animal is the wolf, and it's all about chasing your dreams and not letting anything stand in your way of getting those dreams.
R-E-V! R-E-V-E-U-R!
Our house is Amistad, the house of friendship. It comes from Spanish origins. The word Amistad actually means friendship in Spanish. We actually have a tradition on the first day of school where we provide all the students with a gift. We are just the most welcoming house. We make friends with everybody, even those outside of our house.
A-M-I-S-T-A-D, Amistad!
So we're Sollevare.
Yeah, you can do that. I got a cheat.
And our house is about uplifting and rising above. Our house is about creativity and uplifting everybody, which is
So
really
the art
awesome.
teacher and the band teacher.
Go with Perks Perfect.
We're
We're
excited.
super fun. Yeah, we're really excited about this upcoming school year.
Sollevare! We're rising to the top, Sollevare! And the voice never stops, Sollevare!
So our house is Isibindi, which means courage in Zulu. Our country of origin is South Africa. We're also the mute swan for reflection, and we encourage students to become braver. We're really excited for next year. We can't wait till all the students are sorted and we get more kids in Isibindi. This is our house sign, love. So when you see us in the hallway, Isibindi.
Isibindi! Isibindi!
We're super excited for this journey as a school. Our staff is just amazing. They're pumped for it. It just spreads like wildfire.
I'm hoping within one more year's time, every single kid that walks through the front door at Mesa View will be excited to be here and want to be here.